Wherever you might be right now across the world, once again I say compliment of the season to you all. Alright, this is LASOJENIC BIZZTALK, and I welcome every one of you to today's presentation. Intelligence Prime Capital. How to earn residual income online. Start earning online in the year 2022. So this is what I'm going to be discussing with you today. And one of the reasons why this channel is created is to share with you some financial education, that is how you can earn online, how you can generate residual or passive income online at the comfort of your home, and also to review online investment platform and come up with my own concrete recommendation for you to take your own personal decision. All right, so if you are new on this channel is LASOJENIC BIZZTALK. So just make sure that you subscribe to this channel for you to be continually aware of the next update. Okay, so before I go deep into this video, I would like to tell you that there are so many videos, there are so many educative content that have been done on LASOJENIC BIZZTALK. Okay, so just take your time to browse through the channel, browse through the LASOJENIC BIZZTALK channel for several videos that has been done in the past on how you can generate money online, or if you have any online platform that you are contemplating to join, just feel free to send it to me, and I'm going to do my review on it and send you the recommendation in that particular video, so that you can have a deep insight about how the site works, about the particular platform, so that you can know how it works before you eventually take your decision, before you venture into it. All right, so let me show you some of the content on the channel right now. Okay, so yes, this is LASOJENIC BIZZTALK. As I said earlier, there are several videos that has been done in the past on how you can make money online, and some other platform that I review, just to let you know if it is what you can give a try, if it is what you can join, or what you should stay away from. All right, so this is LASOJENIC BIZZTALK. We presently there are 99 videos that has been done on this channel. Okay, so once again, what we are considering today is IPC. It is IPC, that is Intelligence Prime Capital. How to earn residual income online. That is what we are considering in today's video. So we want to know how to generate residual income, how to make things happen, how to have multiple sources of income in this year 2022. So quickly, let me take you to the platform. So this is the platform. So it is called IPC, that is Intelligence Prime Capital. Sorry, the network is a bit slow today, so just bear with me. And I don't want this video to be very lengthy, but I want it to be very educative. Okay, all right, so this is my dashboard. This is my dashboard, as you can see. Okay, I think I will need to reload. Oh, sorry, I need to reload. So let me pause this video so that I can log into this. Okay, welcome back. I have successfully logged in into my iPrime Capital account, as you can see here. Okay, so in a nutshell, Intelligence Prime Capital is a platform that gives you an access to trade forex conveniently and successfully. So they made use of artificial intelligence, that is, they made use of a particular robot. There are 3 robots that you can get through Intelligence Prime Capital. So, and it is linked with a MetaTrader 4. You know, MetaTrader is an app, that is a phone application whereby it gives you access to the forex market so that you can trade, provided you have an account with a broker already. So Intelligence Prime Capital is like a broker that gives you access to trade forex by the use of a particular robot. So I'm going to show you my MT4 trading account, trading records, to let you know how effective this particular robot is over time. So you can see right now, this is 182.33 in the MT4 Trading Capital wallet. 182.33 in the MT4 Trading Capital. So, and this is what I also have on the MetaTrader 4. So, and I'm going to show you how it has been working in the time past and how effective the trades were going. Okay, so this is the MT4 app. This is the MT4 app. As you can see, if you are very familiar with this, you know that this is where forex is being traded on the mobile device. Okay, so you can see what I have here is the same as what I have on my IPC platform, that is the website. You can see they are the same. So they are connected. Okay, so now let me now show you the trading record. So today is 10th of January. So this is the trading record. So now the initial balance that was deposited was 150. As you can see, 150. So now let's just check together. Here it was a withdrawal, that is 11.94 USD was a withdrawal. And what happened is that currency pair is being traded on 5 days in a week. So on Saturday, all the profit that has been accumulated since Monday, it will be deposited to your USDT wallet on your Prime Capital platform that I showed you earlier. So since I have been with this, there is no record of a loss. You can see that the bot is working perfectly and very, very efficient. There is no record of any loss. And if you are trading manually, there is no how perfect you are, you will still experience some loss. So it may be very, very minimal, but you are going to experience it. So you can see that all these, they are win. So there's nothing like loss. So that means that the bot is working perfectly. So let's go back to the platform. So there are 3 bots that you can get through Intelligence Prime Capital. So there are 3 bots that you can subscribe to. So you can subscribe to any one of them based on your own financial strength and based on the capital that you like to start with. So for you to have access to that, you must have registered. You must have an account with Intelligence Prime Capital. Don't bother about that. I'm going to drop in the description box of this video, I'm going to drop the registration link so that you can get registered, so that you can deposit, you can fund your wallet, get the bot and start trading on autopilot. So now let's check the subscription, how to get it done, and the percentage, that is the ROI on each of the bots on daily basis. So this is the first bot. It is called Brilliant Bot, BB, Brilliant Bot. You can see the total number of investors. We have 647 investors that are following, that are using this particular bot, and the total number, the amount that they have deposited on it, that they are trading with this particular bot in total is 152,070.45 US dollar, as you can see here, and the minimum equity required is $100, and what you can get in a month is up to 30%. So you can get up to 30% of your capital in a month, and the subscription fee is now $40, that is $39.9. It was initially $20 because there was a period of promo. I think it lasted for 2 weeks, from the period of the Christmas till the New Year. So, and all the bots, they were being sold for half of their initial price. So, and the promo is now over, and the price of the bots, the original price, are now they are now returned to their original price rather. So, but this genius bot, it cost $99.9. So during the promo it was sold for $50. So the bot is now being sold for $99.9, approximately $100. And you can see, just imagine the amount of money that has been traded with this bot. You can see this is 6,144,000. Sorry, this is $61,444,034, and the total number of investors following this is 49,803. So this bot is working perfectly for it to have up to this total number of people that is following it, and you can earn up to 45% in a month. That is the ROI, return on investment. You can earn up to 45% in a month, and also the minimum equity required is just $100, which means after you have successfully subscribed, then you can earn up to 45% of your capital in a month. So all you need to start this is just $200 US, in which $100 will be used for the bot, and the remaining $100 will be used for your capital. But if you have more capital, then that means you will also earn more. And the last bot here is the smart bot. The first one is the brilliant bot, second one is the genius bot, and the last one here is the smart bot. So we have only 478 people following this, and total amount that has been invested here is just $60,374 US, as you can see. And what you can earn in a month is just 15%, and the cost of this bot is 19.9, approximately $20 US. So just go for any of the bots based on your financial strength. And what you also need, the minimum equity required is also $100. So then I will just advise you to go for the second one, which is genius bot, which have the highest ROI, that is return on investment of 45%. And if you think you can't afford this, then you can go for the lesser one. All of them, they are working perfectly. All right, so that is how to subscribe to any of the bots and fund it. So what you just need to do is, after you have successfully created your account, then you need to fund it. Just make sure that you send enough fund that you cover up for the bot and for your capital. So after that, then you click on the subscription and you input the capital, you select the bot, and you link up your MT4 trading account. So an email will be sent to your registered email address. So it will comprise of your MT4 trading app login details. So you can log into your MT4 trading app and see all your trading records and see how the trade is being done. So it is very, very unique, and I believe this is one of the ways whereby you can earn money, you can earn residual income on daily basis in the new year. Alright, thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget, it is brought to you courtesy of LASOJENIC BIZZTALK. So if you have any question concerning this video, then you can just make use of the comments box of this video. Make use of the comment box of this video, and also you can chat me up on WhatsApp. I will show you the number to chat me up on WhatsApp, and check the description box of this video for more information on this particular topic, that is how to earn online in year 2022. Alright, till the next video, have a wonderful day ahead, and don't forget that it is very, very important for you to subscribe and click on the notification bell so that you'll be continually aware of the next update. then like this video if truly it has added value to you, if you find something very positive about it, and then don't forget to share with your friends and family, as it can be a way to break through for so many people. This can be what many people have been waiting for. So just take your time to share with your friends and family. So, and meet me in the next video. Till then, have a wonderful day ahead, and bye for now.